Hello dear students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. This is Ajay Punna. In this class, we are going to see a short problem from Unit-5. This is being asked in Part A for 4 marks. As you are aware, in Part A, we are getting 4 mark questions and Part B, especially in question number 13A and 13B, will be asked questions from Unit-5 cash flow statement. Okay. Questions can be both theory and problem. Okay, but problem solve करके जाना. Okay, that will be helpful for you. Even if problem is not your cup of tea, you can manage with theory, but we can't say right all the times the theory question will be coming in the choice. So I would suggest you to be good with the problems. So even in part A also, okay, problems are being asked which are short problems. Okay, as we are going to solve right now, right? So there's no what you say fixed guidelines, right? Like what question will be asked. But if you observe the pattern, the university is focusing on cash flow from operating activities calculation, right? Let's see the question which is asked in July 2022 for 4 marks. Okay, this has been asked at question 8. There is no fixed question number for any unit in part A, right? If you see in part B, okay, question number 9 is fixed for unit 1, okay, 10 is fixed for unit 2, like that. Okay, there is no fixed question in part A here, right? So let's look at the question. Calculate cash flow from operating activities from the following information. Right? Information to observe karo. Sales, purchases, wages, and advertisement is given. You are not given any net profit or any such details. Right? So this indicates that you need to solve this based on the direct method. Right? Sales will give you cash. So sales will result in cash inflow. Right? Purchases will result in cash outflow. Wages, advertisement, these are all operating expenses, right? Whatever items you are seeing on the screen, okay, sales, purchases, wages, advertisement, these are all your operating activity items. So that's why he's asking you, he's asking you to calculate the cash flow from operating activities. We can solve this in two methods. Okay, we are going to see this in method one now. Okay, where I will be solving using a statement. In method two, we'll follow a formula based approach, right? So I'm drawing a small format here. I need particulars amount, that's it, right? Let me beautify this a little bit, right? First try to write the inflows first, cash inflows here, okay? Sales will result in inflows, right? Cash received from sales, okay? Sale of goods, kitna? 5 lakh 40,000, 5 lakh 40,000, right? इसमें से we will minus all the outflows which are expenses for us. Purchases is an expense, wages is an expense, advertising is an expense, and these are all relating to operating activities. जो main business activity के related है, all those are operating activity items, right? So purchases भी main business operation है, wages मतलब salary pay करते हैं जो workers को, that is also related to main business operations. Advertisement करते हैं, why do we do the advertisement? So that we can sell goods. Again, this is related to operating activity only, right? So let's write, okay, cash paid towards, right? Highlight these items. Purchases. कितना है purchases? 3,40,000. Then we have wages. 50,000. Then we have advertisement. कितना? 20,000. Add all this. Right? 340 plus 50 is 390. 390 plus 20 is 410. Right? Now once you minus 410 from 5 lakh 40, you will be getting कितना आएगा? 1,30,000. Right, 1,30,000. This is your cash flow from operating activities. Operating activities. I would suggest you to present your answer in statement format only. Examiner को अच्छा लगेगा, okay, and he will be giving you full marks. If you are not comfortable with the statement, you can also do this problem in a formula-based manner, which I am going to show you now, right? So method 2 में we are using the formula. We'll simply write cash flow from operating activities is equal to, okay, you simply write sales, okay, and minus all this, okay, minus, I'll write all the expenses in one bracket, purchases plus wages plus advertisement, right? Now sales कितना है हमारे पास 5,40,000 minus, write all the, okay, items here. 3,40,000 in the purchases, wages कितना है 50,000, 390 this will be, and 20,000 is for advertisement. So 410, okay. So 540 minus 410 will give you 130. So therefore, the cash flow from operating activities is 130. So whichever method you are comfortable, you can write the answer. I would suggest you to present your answer in statement format, method 1 format. Okay, the same answer is being reproduced to you in LMR notes. You can also refer to that. Okay, answer will be same only. I hope you understood this problem. All the best from CR Publishers. Thank you.